Todd here at All American Classics. What you're looking at is a pretty rare 1979 Formula Firebird. Now, we purchased this car out of Seattle. It's about 3 hours from us, from a man who had called and said he had this 79 Formula. He'd lost his storage. He was hoping we would purchase it. Otherwise, he was going to have it hauled off for scrap. He had no other way of getting rid of it. He was hoping that if it came here, maybe somebody would restore it, or it would, at least somebody get use of the parts. So we got the car here. We paid him for the car. We paid it to have it hauled all the way from Seattle down to us. And I've always kind of liked these formulas. They're unusual. You don't see too many of them. But once it got here, we ran the VIN number and discovered this car had a 400 in it. It may not sound like a big deal, but 1979 was the last year they put a 400 Pontiac in any type of Pontiac. They were being discontinued. So this is one of 267 formulas built in 1979 with a 400, the last year of it. So the car's a little bit rough. The engine's missing, but it does have quite a few good things going for it. It is a factory 4-speed car. It still has the 4-speed in it, which would be a Super T10. Got a tilt column. Came with an extra bumper, console, seats. And then we get down here, 4-wheel disc. This car has 4-wheel disc brakes, more than likely probably a posi with some pretty low gears in it. And so we've got this car here. Pretty solid car. Hoping somebody maybe will restore it. Really good colors. If you have any interest in putting this car back together, give Todd a call at All American Classics.